Welcome to the course of Full Stack Application Development. Let's start with the course outline. In this course, you are going to learn about the front end, back end, database, and the infrastructure. In the front end, we will learn about the React.js. The back end would be Spring Boot and Node.js. The database would be MySQL database, MongoDB, Apache Kafka, as well as Neo4j. In the infrastructure, we are going to learn about AWS, Jenkins, Ansible, Terraform, Kubernetes, as well as Docker. So the prerequisites are you should have some knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java programming language, as well as the SQL. Don't worry, if you are not having knowledge of all these things, I will be keep on explaining that whenever you require to have. The IDEs which are going to be used for this course are VS Code and IntelliJ IDEA. The VS Code will be used to develop the front end and IntelliJ IDEA will be used specifically for the Spring Boot applications, that is the backend. Necessary plugins and tools which are required to develop this full stack application for the front end as well as backend. For the VS Code, you should have installed Thunderclient, which is required to test the API, ES7, which is the which provides a shortcut to create a code, auto rename tag, which will be useful to seeing the tag changes, the live server that will be used to test the static pages, the prettier plugin will be used to organize the code or to arrange the code, and GitHub repository extension that will be used to do the Git related operations. The plugin for the IntelliJ IDEA is Spring Boot Initializer and Assistance. This will help us to create the basic Spring Boot application. Okay guys, so let's start the development.